Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to improve weak headlines inside responsive search ad. Before we begin, we need to understand one important point. Google Ad normally does not give us a separate pause button for each RSA headline. When a headline looks weak, we usually edit it, remove it, or replace it with a stronger headline. But we should not remove a headline only because it received fewer impression or because one number looks weak. Responsive searches work by combining different headline and descriptions. So we must review the full headline group, not only one asset. The goal is not to find the perfect headline, the goal is to keep a balanced group of headline that can create relevant, useful, and trust ad message. In this presentation, we will learn what makes a headline weak, which asset should be kept, when to write or replace them, which mistake to avoid, and how to measure result using qualified leads and customer. So let's begin with how one weak headline can reduce the quality of many ad combinations. So this is my slide 1. Here I describe one weak headline can reduce many ad combinations. Responsive search ad combines different headline and description. Every active headline becomes part of the available message group. This means a weak headline may appear beside two strong headlines and reduce the quality of the full message. Imagine an emergency plumbing RSA with these headlines: emergency plumber, 24/7 plumber, licensed and insured, same day service, professional service, trusted expert, quality plumbing, and contact us today. Some headlines have a clear role: emergency plumber, confirm the service, 24/7 help, show availability, licensed and insured, gives proof, and same day service shows a benefit. But the other headline are generic: professional service, trusted expert, quality plumbing, and contact us today. They provide little specific customer value. Now imagine a Google shows professional service, trusted expert, contact us today. The business may offer good emergency plumbing, but the ad does not show the emergency service, availability, a clear benefit, real proof, or a strong next step. Now compare it with emergency plumber, same day help, licensed and insured. This message gives relevance, speed, value, and trust. The quality of an RSA depends on the quality and variety of its headline. Adding 15 headline does not always improve the ad. Generic or repeated headline can take space without adding a new message. A responsive search ad is only as strong as the headline available to it. Before replacing a headline, we need to define what makes it weak. And this is my slide 2. When advertisers say pause this headline, they usually means edit it, remove it, or replace it inside the RSA. A poor headline is not simply one with a fewer impression. Low exposure may happen because other combinations were used more. The headline needs more time, search volume is low, or Google ad not used it often. A truly weak headline may be generic, repeated, not relevant, not supported, different from landing page, or poorly matched to the search intent. There are common types of weak headline. Type 1, weak message. For example, professional team. This sound positive but says a little about the service, benefit, proof, or next step. Type 2, repeated message. For example, local plumber, plumber near you, and nearby plumbing service. The words are different, but the main message is almost the same. Type 3, wrong intent. For example, financing available. This may be useful for a large installation, but for someone searching emergency plumber available now, fast help is usually more important. Use this simple question: is the headline relevant? Is it different from the others? Does it provide customer value? Does it match the search intent? Does the landing page support it? Based on the answer, the decision may be keep, rewrite, or replace. Judge each headline by what it adds to the full RSA. A poor headline adds little relevance, difference, value, or trust to the complete ad. Now let's examine how weak headline affect customer decision. Customer review Google ad very quickly. They do not study each headline separately. They judge the full message. The customer may ask, is this the service I need? Can they help quickly? Can I trust them? Why should I choose them? Why should I do next? Different headline roles should answer this question. Keyword headline create, service relevance, benefit headline explain, what the customer receive, proof headlines reduce, depth, different value headline give, a reason to choose, CTA headline make the next step clear. Now compared to AC repair message, the weak message says AC repair, professional HBAC and contact us. It mentions the service but gives no clear benefit or strong proof. The better message says same day repair, certified technician, book service. The version provides the service is speed, benefit, trust, and clear action. Generic headline also make business look the same. If several HBAC companies says professional service, trusted expert, and contact us today, the customer sees the little difference. Repeated headline also reduce the number of useful messages the RSA can test. If 5 headline repeat the same keyword idea, there is less room for benefit, offer, proof, local value, urgency, and CTS. Headline variety should create different reason to respond, not only different wording. Clear headline can also improve lead quality. They help suitable customer understand the service, the value, and next step. Strong headline help customer recognize, understand, trust, and act. Let's apply the process to an emergency plumbing RSA. The customer searches emergency plumber in Dallas. The customer may care about fast help, local service, trained plumbers, clear pricing, and easy phone contact. Now let's review the current headline emergency plumber. This gives a clear service relevance. Keep it. 24/7 plumbing help. This shows urgency and availability. Keep it. Same day service. This gives customer benefit. Also keep it. Licensed and insured. This gives a real proof and reduce risk. Keep it. Upfront pricing. This reduce price fear. Keep it. Call for immediate help. This is clear CTA. You should also keep it. Now consider plumbing service. It's too general for an emergency ad group. Replace it with burst pipe repair. This add more specific emergency service message. Next, professional team. This is work. Replace it with local Dallas technician. This gives local value and clear service trust. Now trust expert. This claim has no proof. Replace with rated 4.9 stars. Only if the business can support that claim. Finally, contact us today. This is weak for an emergency customer. Replace it with check 24/7 availability. We are not replacing headline because we dislike the word. We are replacing them because they do not have a clear job. The important headline group now covers service, urgency, benefit, proof, pricing, local value, and direct action. Keep headline with a clear role. Replace filler headline with full useful value, proof, and action. The main risk is changing headline too quickly or reading the data wrongly. The first mistake is looking only for an old, low, good, or best level instead. Review the available asset data and the full RSA result. The second mistake is judging one headline as if it appeared alone. Headline normally appear inside combination. Its result may be affected by other headline, description, searches, user, and action. Headline data can guide us, but it is not always foolproof by itself. The third mistake is removing a headline after very little exposure. A headline may need more time, more searches, or more traffic, but we can judge it. The fourth mistake is changing many headlines together. If we replace too many assets, we may not know which change improve or reduce the result. The fifth mistake is keeping only keyword headline. For example, emergency plumber, Dallas plumber, plumber near me, local plumbing company. These all focus on service relevance, but the RSA also need benefit proof, offer, urgency, local value, and CTS. The sixth mistake is replacing weak headlines with near copies. For example, fast plumbing help, quick plumbing help, and rapid plumbing help. The word change, but the message is the same. The seventh mistake is optimizing only for click. A headline may improve CTR but bring price shoppers, wrong service users, or proof lead. More click do not always mean more profit. Safe RSA optimizations need enough data, small changes, message variety, and business level measurement. Now let's build a simple headline review process. So this is my slide 6. Here I describe the headline review and replacement process. So listen carefully. The first step is open the ad level asset report. Review available data such as impression, click, cost, conversions, and conversion value. When available, the second step is review the full RSA. Before blaming one headline, ask, is the ad generating qualified lead? Is the cost is acceptable? Does the headline match intent? Is the search traffic relevant? A weak ad result may come from poor keyword, wrong search term, a weak landing page, bad tracking, or a poor lead quality. The headline is only one part of the system. The third step is give every headline a role. Possible role include keyword, benefit, proof, offer, local value, urgency, and CTA. If too many headlines have the same role and other roles are missing, the group is not balanced. The fourth step is find weak candidates. Looks for very little use, after enough time, repeat message, generic wording, wrong intent, unsupported claims, and landing page mismatch. The fifth step is write the replacement first. Do not remove a headline without knowing what stronger message will replace it. For example, do not simply remove professional team. Replace it with local Dallas technicians, licensed and insured. The sixth step is make small changes. Replace one headline or a small group of clearly weak asset. Then monitor the full RSA. Review the full at first, then replace only the headline that clearly reuse relevancy, variety, or customer value. A clear process turns a headline optimization from guessing into controlled improvement. Experienced advertiser manage headline as one balanced group. So this is my slide 7. Here I describe about manage a balanced headline group. A strong responsive search ad should contain different types of headlines. It should not depend on one message only. Let's build a headline group for emergency plumbing. Keyword headline, emergency plumber, Dallas emergency plumbing. This creates service relevance. Benefit headline, same day help, upfront pricing. This explain customer value. Proof headlines, license and insured, over 300 local reviews. This video start when the claims are true. Urgency headline, 24/7 available. Technicians available today. This match emergency intent. CTA headline, call for immediate help. Check today's availability. This show the next step. Local headline, serving Dallas home owners, local plumbing technician. This confirm the service area. Now use a simple decision method. A clear and different headline should usually be kept. Useful headline with a little exposure may need more time. A weak repeated headline should be replaced. A generic headline without proof should also be replaced. A headline with unclear result may need monitoring. A headline that conflicts with the search intent or landing page should be corrected quickly. Remember, headline level CTR, CPA, and ROS can be affected by the other assets shown at the same time. Use headline data as guidance, but measure success mainly through the full ad group, and campaign. The goal is not one perfect headline. The goal is a balanced group that can create strong combination. Replace filter headline with missing message rows so the RSA can tell a complete customer story. Let's finish with a practical action plan. So here I give you a $1 million secret source of poor headline replacement action plan. Here is the complete process. Step 1. Select one important RSA. Start with a high spend ad group, an important service, or an RSA producing weak leads. Step 2. Review the full ad result. Check conversion, cost, qualify leads, appointment, customer, and business result. Do not begin with one headline alone. Step 3. Review asset details. Check headline exposure and any available performance data. Look for useful patterns, not one day changes. Step 4. Clarify each headline gives every headline a role. For example, keyword, benefit, proof, offer, local value, urgency, or CTA. Step 5. Find the weakest headline. Flag headline that are generic, relevant, not supported, or rarely used after enough time. Step 6. Write stronger replacement. Add missing roles such as benefit proof, offers, local value, urgency, or beta CTS. Step 7. Edit slowly. Do not replace the whole headline group at one time. Make small changes, then allow enough time for new data. Step 8. Measure business result. Track conversion rate, qualify lead rate, cost per qualify lead, appointment rate, close rate, cost per customer, and customer value. The final process is headline review plus remove weak message plus add stronger roles equal better RSA combination and better feed lead. Do not remove a headline because one number looks weak. Replace it when enough data, clear message review, and customer journey checks show that it add little value. Never classify, replace, test, and measure. That is the correct process. Let's summarize the main lesson. Responsive searches do not improve only because they contain many headlines. They improve when the headlines are relevant, different, trusted, and useful. A weak headline may be generic, repeated, wrong for the intent, not supported, or different from the landing page. But do not remove it only because of low impression, one weak number, or a small amount of data. First, review the full advertisement, then give every headline a clear role. Identify which headline and add real customer value and which one only takes space. Write stronger replacement, make small changes, and measure the result, qualify lead, customers, and profit. The goal is not to find one headline that wins every time. The goal is to keep a balanced headline group that can create relevant message, trusted clicks, qualify leads, and profitable customer. This is how headline replacement becomes smart optimization process instead of random editing. So thank you everyone. Now, I would love to hear your question. Question may include responsive search chat, headline data, headline roles, asset replacement, lead quality, or RS optimization. If you have any question about that, feel free to ask me at the comment box.